Start with the 13th chapter, surface area and volume. Question number 1. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So this is a cube, first one. This is second one. So volume of each one is 64. So volume of cube is equal to L cube. So if you take cube root of this, L will be, the length of the each side will be 4. So this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. Means here also 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. If these two are joined, it will become like this. So what will be here then length? Length will be 8 centimeter. Breadth will be same 4 centimeter, and height will be also be same as 4 centimeter. So in that only length will be changed. So length will be 8 centimeter, breadth will be 4 centimeter, h will be same as 4 centimeter. Is it? So CSA of cuboid is equal to LB, BH and HL. Okay. If we substitute the value 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4, that is 32, 16 plus 32, it becomes 80. 80 into 2 is 160 centimeters square. A vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted on a hollow cylinder. Okay, it is a cylinder is empty. Hollow means it is empty from inside. So this is a cylinder. And hollow hemispheres. So what I in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner or not given, so it is inner or outer is same. It is hemisphere, so radius and the depth are equal in hemisphere. That is the shape of it. That is called hemisphere. The radius, or this is also radius, or the depth are equal. That is hemisphere. So it is the surface area we can find. The surface area of the hemisphere plus the surface area of this cylinder. Okay. So for hemisphere, radius is 7 centimeter. For cylinder, radius is same 7 centimeter. It may not be given, but you have to understand that it is mounted on a cylinder, means radius of diameter of both hemisphere as well as the cylinder are same. So h is equal to, this is 4. Vessel height is 13 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. So 13 minus 7 will be the height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is 13 minus 7, which is 6 centimeter. So CSA of the vessel is CSA of cylinder plus CSA means surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the hemisphere. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. If you take 2 pi common, we'll get r plus h. If you substitute the value, 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, h is 6 and r is 7. So 7 plus 6, 13, and if you simplify, 7 and 7 will cut, then 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 13 is 572 centimeters square. A toy is in a form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. What is meant to the total surface area? Total surface area, it doesn't mean of all. It is the surface area of the hemisphere plus the surface area of the, what is a cone? Okay. And surface area of the cone and surface area of the hemisphere. That is called the total surface area of the. So for cone, radius is 3.5, total height is given. Okay, this is a depth of a, what we say, hemisphere, so it is 3.5. So 15.5 minus 3.5, height, you'll get a height of a cone. So height of the cone is 15.5 minus 3.5 is equal to what? 12. Okay, understand? For hemisphere, r is equal to 3.5. What is the surface area of the cone? Pi rl. What is the surface area of the hemisphere? 2 pi r square. So you have to find L. So for the length of the cone, slant height is okay. So for the slant height of the cone, L square is equal to r square plus h square. If you simplify this, you'll get L square is equal to 156.25. Root of 156 is what? L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Okay. So total surface area of the toy is CSA of the cone, curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. So it is pi rl plus 2 pi r square. Okay. Pi r is taken common, so L plus 2r. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 means 35 by 10, L is 12.5 and r is 3.5. So 2 into 3.5, that is 7. 7 plus 12.5 is 19.5. If you simplify this, 7 5s are 5 35. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 11s are. So 11 is remaining. So 11 into 19.5. If you simplify, you'll get it as 2145 upon 10, that is 214.5 square centimeter.